Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 11 of the video lecture series Permutation and Combination. I am Sangamesh Malge and we are in the combination part number 3. In this video we are going to study the distribution of identical and distinct items to different people, student, किसी को भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. कीवर्ड्स क्या है? आइडेंटिकल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना है, ठीक है. सो लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The number of ways in which 9 different toys can be distributed among 4 children so that the youngest child gets 3 toys and remaining gets 2 toys. ठीक है. Whenever you get the distribution question, first identify whether the given question is of identical items or distinct items. So this question is of distinct items. So you are distributing the 9 different toys. ठीक है. बच्चे तो हमेशा डिस्टिंक्ट रहेंगे, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे 4 बच्चे हैं अपने पास, ठीक है. एंड द यंगेस्ट चाइल्ड शुड गेट 3 टॉयज एंड द रिमेनिंग शुड गेट 2 टॉयज. 9 different toys we have to give. Okay, in how many ways you can form this? So distribute करने के लिए we have total 9 toys एंड अपने पास सिर्फ एक ही यंगेस्ट बच्चा है एंड उसको 3 टॉयज देना. इन हाउ मेनी वेज यू कैन गिव 3 टॉयज टू यंगेस्ट चाइल्ड. अपने पास 9 टॉयज है, उसमें से 3 टॉयज तो अपने यंगेस्ट को देना है. सो इन हाउ मेनी वेज यू कैन डू दिस? सो दिस इज द केस फॉर यंगेस्ट, ठीक है. सो दिस कैन बी डन इन 9C3 वेज. यंगेस्ट का केस खत्म हो गया. रिमेनिंग अभी कितने रिमेनिंग है? 4 चिल्ड्रन, उसमें से एक यंगेस्ट गया, बाकी के 3 है. सो रिमेनिंग 3 स्टूडेंट्स और चिल्ड्रन शुड गेट रिमेनिंग प्राइजेस. 9 में से 3 चले गए तो प्राइजेस कितने हैं? 6 प्राइजेस है. बच्चे कितने अभी अपने पास? 3 बच्चे हैं. सो एवरीवन शुड गेट 2 टॉयज आउट ऑफ 6. सो इन हाउ मेनी वेज यू कैन डू दिस? सो सेकेंड बच्चों के लिए सेकेंड बच्चा विल गेट 2 टॉयज out of 6 toys. Second child will get 2 toys out of 6 toys. So 6C2. Okay. Now थर्ड चाइल्ड के लिए कितने टॉयज बाकी है? सिर्फ 4 बाकी है. उसको कितना चाहिए? 2 चाहिए, ठीक है. एंड फोर्थ को ऑप्शन नहीं है सर, जो बाकी के जो बचे हैं ना वही देने, दैट इज 1 केस. ओके, सो 6C2, this is 4C2 and this is 2C2. So your answer will be what? And youngest child and remaining 2 toys. And मतलब है into करना है. So your final answer will be 9C3 into 6C2 into 4C2 into 2C2. दिस केस इज फॉर अवर यंगेस्ट चाइल्ड. उसको तो 3 देना ही देना है. कंडीशन जिस पे है ना उसको फर्स्ट दे दो. 9 में से 3 गए, 6 बाकी है. सो सेकेंड चाइल्ड विल गेट 2 आउट ऑफ 6. 2 आउट ऑफ 6. थर्ड चाइल्ड विल गेट 2 आउट ऑफ 4. इसको 2 चले गए तो 4 बाकी है. ओके, एंड द लास्ट चाइल्ड विल गेट द रिमेनिंग 2. सो इफ यू सॉल्व दिस you will get the answer near about, not near about, exactly 7560. इसको open कैसे? I have already told you how to open this. Okay, so next question. Find the number of ways in which 5 letters can be posted in 3 post boxes if any number of letters can be posted in all 3 post boxes. What is condition is you can post all the 5 letters. If they have not mentioned about identical and non-identical, definitely you have to take the non-identical case. Okay, that is a distinct wala case. Again, this question is also of the distribution type, and the objects that you have to consider is the distinct one. Now see here, you have 5 letters. Okay, so suppose L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5, and you have 3 boxes, B1, B2 and B3 boxes you have. Okay, now see, in how many ways you can post this letter if any number of letters can be posted in all three boxes. मतलब ये पांचों के पांचों letters I can post in one post box, any one box, or I cannot post none of the letter in any one box. Okay, so in how many ways you can post this letter? Now tell me in how many ways I can post this L1. L1 can go in B1 or B2 or B3. So L1 is having three options. L2 की कितने ऑप्शन है? L2 इज अगेन B1 B2 B3. L2 के पास भी तीन ऑप्शन है. L3 के पास भी तीन ऑप्शन है. L4 के पास भी तीन ऑप्शन है. L5 के पास भी तीन ऑप्शन है. And I have to post all five letters, मतलब L1 and L2 and L3 and L4 and L5. This is nothing but 3 raised to 5. Okay, so these type of questions are very very important, and questions can be solved in within 10 seconds. How? See here, distribution of letters. Letter is what? It is a movable thing. Okay, and the post box is what? It is a फिक्स ना. पोस्ट बॉक्स घूम सकता है क्या? नहीं, पोस्ट बॉक्स फिक्स रहता है. ठीक है. सो इन हाउ मेनी वेज? सो ट्रिक द डिफरेंट वे, आइदर वे you can remember this as what? It is a fix raised to power variable. Okay, fix raised to power variable. See here, fixed quantity raised to power variable quantity. Now you may come across the questions like in how many ways? See here, the question can be like this: in how many ways 3 rings, okay, can be distributed in 5 fingers? 3 rings can be distributed in 5 fingers. How you, what will be the answer for this? Fix को नहीं यहाँ पे fingers, ठीक है. We move the rings, we don't move the fingers. Okay, fix is what? 5 and variable is what? 3. So 5 raised to 3 is my answer. Simple. Okay, and this is what? This is the basic. इसको 3 ऑप्शन है, इसको 3 ऑप्शन है, and इसको भी 3 ऑप्शन है. Each and every letter is having 3 options. That's why the answer is what? 3 raised to 5. Next one. Find the number of ways in which 8 identical. The number of ways in which 8 identical pens can be distributed among 5 students so that every student receives at most 7 pen. At most 7 pen he should get. Okay, so if you see in the previous question, यहाँ पे एक केस ऐसा भी था कि जिसमें each box, sorry, at least one box is there which may receive all the 5 letters. सबके सब पांचों के पांचों लेटर्स एक बॉक्स में जा सकता है. ओके, और B2 में भी जा सकता था और B3 में भी जा सकता है. मीन्स व्हाट? देयर इज no condition, you can post any number of letters in any box. But in this question, at most 7 pens we have to distribute. अगर ये कंडीशन नहीं रहेगा तो क्या? Okay, if there is no condition, so in how many ways you can distribute 8 distinct pens in 5 students? ठीक है, you go and give the pens. ठीक है, you don't ask the students and take the pen, you give the pens. So यहाँ पे फिक्स कौन है? 5 students are fixed, so 5. Okay, and what is variable is 8. 5 raised to 8 is the answer till this part. And this question, this answer receives the case where student may get all 8 pens. ठीक है, any student may get all 8 pens because you have already seen here, इसको 5 ऑप्शन से, इसको 5 ऑप्शन से. So B1 may receive, see here, so B1 may receive this letter, sorry, B1 may receive this letter, this letter, this letter, this letter or this letter. Means what? B1 may get all the 5 letters. Similarly, in this case, in this question, the first student may get all the 8 pens, second student may get all the 8 pens, third may get all the 8 pens, 4 and similarly 5. But what we want to distribute? Only maximum 7 pens. सो व्हाट यू थिंक, ये जो 5 बच्चों को जो 8 पेन्स मिल रहे ना, दैट वी हैव टू remove from this 5 raised to 8. So how you will remove 5 raised to 8 minus those 5 cases where the chances of getting all the pens to the 5 students, so that we will remove by subtracting 5 from the 5 raised to 8. I hope you are understanding this. If you are not understanding, please again watch this video from the first question. So what is your answer is 5 raised to 8 minus 5. Next question. In how many ways 8 identical? Very good. Now this is the different case where you have the identical objects. In how many ways 8 identical balls can be distributed among 3 distinct boxes such that each box receives at least one ball? At least one ball अपने को देना है. At least one ball we have to give, and there are 8 identical balls are there. अभी तक जो केसेस देखे थे वहां पे डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स थे, ठीक है. यहाँ पे 8 आइडेंटिकल बॉल्स है. इन दिस केस द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज ऑलवेज, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस, द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज ऑलवेज लाइक दिस, n-1 c r-1. द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज ऑलवेज लाइक दिस व्हेन वी हैव द आइडेंटिकल केसेस, ठीक है. व्हेन यू हैव द आइडेंटिकल balls or identical pains, identical prizes, then the distribution for at least case, the distribution is what, n minus c r-1. So n is what, 8 minus 1 c, r is what, 3, it is 3 minus 1 is 2, so 7c2, which is nothing but 7 6 1 2, which is nothing but 21. So 21 different ways are there in which I can distribute 8 identical balls to 3 distinct boxes such that each box receives at least one ball. Okay, please remember this. Next one, find the number of ways in which 10 identical, again identical case, identical balls can be divided among 5 students. So this question is same as that of the distribution letter box and letter box का question था ना, उसके जैसे. The difference is what, there were 5 distinct letters we had, and here we have 10 identical balls we have. Okay, so again there is no condition, you can give all the 10 balls to the 5 students. Okay, in such cases the distribution is always in this way, n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. Always remember. Okay, so your answer will be 10 plus 5 minus 1 c 5 minus 1, which is nothing but 14 c 4, which is nothing but 14 13 12 11 1 2 3 4 चारित्रिकम 12, हे गेले 7 ला. Okay, so 91 into 11, so again 9 1, so 11, 9 plus 1 is 10, so 0, carry 1, so the answer is what, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0 0 1. So this will be your answer. Okay, so remember, for identical things you have the distribution like this, n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. Okay, so the summary of this lecture is what, for the distribution you have two cases, one is for distinct objects and other is for identical objects. For the distinct objects, if you are giving, if there is no condition, means all the objects you can give to any person, then your answer is what, that is fixed, that is n raised to r you can give, so it is fixed raised to variable. Not all to 1, so the second case is what, not all to 1. So the question was at most wala case tha na ye, at most. So this is nothing but n raised to r minus n. Okay, and for the identical cases we have seen two questions. So the question at least 1 to all that we have seen is n plus 1 r minus 1 c r minus 1, and for the all to 1 we have seen is n minus 1 c r minus 1. Okay, so please remember this. So in the next different class, we are going to again look at the questions which are very important. Questions like how many straight lines you can find if they all the points are collinear, if all the points are non-collinear. Okay, how many triangles you can form, how many lines you can form, how many diagonals you can have in a hexagon. Okay, so the combination application to the geometry we'll see in the next class. If you really like this video, please hit the like button. ठीक है, ये जो अपना like है ना ऐसा कुछ तो रहता है ना thumb, hit the like button, hit the share button. ठीक है, and please subscribe this channel to get more fun videos and more tricky questions. Thank you.